everybody, and welcome to a brand new video. In this video, I'm going to be testing my brand new photoelectric first alert smoke detector. I'm going to see if it alarms. Don't play with matches at home unless you have adult supervision. Takes a little while for it to ring. Here, it's sensing something right now. Now we're going to press the silence. There we go. Thank you for watching, everybody. That was my PHOTOELECTRIC's first alert smoke detector. Don't try this without parent supervision. Thank you for watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. And goodbye.